I said 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. It's actually been like 12 minutes. Okay, so today we're adding and subtracting. Remember when we added and subtracted fractions way at the beginning of the semester? You have to have the same bottom number to add, and then you can add across. So, on number 1, 10 over 4x. If it was just 10 over 4, would I want to leave it like that? No, what would I want to do? Simplify. What does it simplify to? Questions on number 1? Okay. So number 2 kind of works the same way. It's got a negative sign in the middle though. So what do? Subtract. So it's going to be 2x minus 5 over x plus 6. Can I do anything with this? I have to divide out factors, not letters. Nope, can't do anything here. You can only, when you have plus signs in the fractions, you can only cancel out factors.
Wait, so you can only
Plus
do it when it's like yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I take a look, questions on 2 first. Okay, so if I take a look at number 3, it wants me to find the sum. I can't add these right now because they don't have the same denominator. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to first factor, what am I doing? First factor the bottom. So I can rewrite, I'm going to rewrite this as 3x and 3x. Just because looking at the second fraction, I know I need a 3x. And then the second one factors to 3x over x plus 1. Okay. So I need to have the same thing on both sides of my bottoms. What is the first fraction missing? What do you mean a 1? Like the number 1? No. No, this has 2 x's already. Huh? No. So I want all of my bottoms to be the same. Right now they're different, right? So I'm not looking at the top at all. Why can I not write in a straight line? I want them to have all of the same pieces on the bottom. Right now this has 3 x's, and this one has a 3x and an x plus 1. So what do I need to add to this one to make it the same? X plus 1. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of the first one by x plus 1. And then, what is the second one missing? No, I'm only looking at the bottoms. No, I'm only looking at the bottoms. Another 3x. So I'm going to multiply the second one by 3 x's. Questions so far? Okay. Then I'm going to, for these ones, it's going to be kind of weird. I'm going to multiply straight across on my numerators and distribute, but on the denominators, I'm going to leave them factored. So I'm going to have 7x plus 7 on the top of the first one, and then it's, I'm going to write 3x, x plus 1. And then on the second one, I get 3x squared over 3x. It was always there in the problem. I distributed. Yeah, 7. Yeah. Okay, so questions here. Okay, then what I want to do next is I want to add my top numbers. Can I combine any like terms on the top here? No, because this one's a regular x and this one's an x squared. So then I'm going to have 3x squared plus 7x plus 7. And then what am I writing on the bottom? 3x, and x plus 1. Can I factor the... Oh, that's off the screen. Can I factor the numerator? No. If I could factor the numerator, I would want to do it like yesterday and cancel out pieces if I could. But I can't. So questions on number 3.
You gotta resolve it.
Mm-hmm.
But you have to put it in order.
Mm-hmm. And if I could factor it, I would want to, but I can't.
Did you just leave the bottom part of the board?
Yeah. So you're always going to leave it in the factored form, so like if I could cancel things out, then I could. Oh, the penguin. Okay, yeah. I was like, what? I'm like, sorry. In my mind, I had told Alex to move it, but I actually hadn't. So I was like, oh, the penguin's not on the board anymore. Well, like, I was like, oh, I should tell Alex to move it because he's right there. And then I just, like, someone asked me a question about the notes, and then I forgot about asking Alex. Okay, so number 4 wants me to find the difference. It's going to work very similarly to number 3, except I'm going to have to remember to distribute the negative. So I'm going to start off by factoring my denominators. So I have x plus 2 on the top of the first one, and then I'm going to factor out a 2 of the second one, and then I get x minus 1. And then, what multiplies to positive 3 that adds to negative 4? Because I divided 2 out of both of the numbers. What? I'm looking for things that multiply to 3 that add to negative 4.
3 and positive.
No. What, Stephanie? Yeah. The reason I do that, Stephanie, is because, look, right here, they're both even, but right here on the second one, I can't do anything because this is a coefficient of 1, and then there's 4 and 3, so there's nothing that goes into all of them.
It's negative 3.
Oh, you're right, 3. My bad. I was trying to answer Stephanie's question, and then it write down what Manny was saying. Sorry. I've never made mistakes. Okay, so what do I need to multiply the first one by?
X minus 3.
And what do I need to multiply the second one by? What? 2. Yeah. So on the first one, when I multiply, what do I get on my numerator? Mm-hmm. What? No. No. I'm multiplying 2 binomials.
X squared plus 2x.
So you...
6.
Wait, say that again?
X squared plus 2x.
No. I'm trying to multiply 2 binomials together. Yeah, that's the box method.
That is right.
No, it's not, Jerry. I'm trying to do x plus 2 and x minus 3. So what's x times x? Positive 2x. The 2 is positive.
Negative 3x.
And then I want to combine like terms in the middle. Minus x. Minus 6. Yeah, the 3 is negative, not the 2. That's the whole top one. The bottom I'm going to leave factored. Okay. So do you still need the multiplication up here? go highest exponent to lowest. Oh, the bottom doesn't really matter. The order doesn't matter as long as I...
So the order is just like...
Yeah. Yeah. Typically you put like numbers out front though, Stephanie. Like if it's just a number that would go out front. But other than that, order doesn't matter. Okay, so on the second one, what? You confused about what I did? Or no? Yeah, well, no, because you typically put numbers out front. Well, now I need to combine them. Wait, before you get to combining, remember I have a minus in the middle? Yeah, I need to distribute it, so it's gonna make these two change signs. Yeah. What? Oh, well, no, that's gonna change too. Yeah. What? Now it's gonna be positive 4. Amanda, be quiet. What? Positive x and negative 2. Yeah? Oh, yeah. So it's gonna be negative 6. Yeah, I see. I was confused about where you were getting before. So then I'm gonna combine like terms, and I get x squared, and then I have negative x and positive 4x. 3x. Negative 6 and positive, yeah, negative 4. Yeah. Okay, so on this one, I can factor it. The numerator. Well, multiplies to negative 4 and adds to positive 3. No, that was multiplies to 3 and adds to negative 4. No, that doesn't multiply to 4. Multiplies to negative 4 and adds to negative 3. But, I mean positive 3. Manny got it. Switch what to plus? Because there was a minus sign in the middle, and so I had to distribute my negative. No, like I don't know what you guys are getting stuck on. He like, is that what you're talking about? The green pluses? Oh, okay, yeah. Because it was a double negative. You change the signs when there's a minus in the middle. So like if it'd been minus a positive number, then it would become a negative. It's kind of like keep, change. Okay, so on my fraction, can I cancel anything out? Yeah. So the x minus 1 cancels out, and then I get x plus 4 on the top, and then 2x minus 3. Questions there? That's it.
What about the x minus 3?
I can't do anything with this, so it stays where it is. Because it doesn't cancel out with anything. Yeah, if I can cancel it out, I should cancel it out. Because it's all about simplifying it. Guys, be quiet. I'm not done talking yet. There's one thing on the homework, and I think also on the test. I kind of talked about it, but I didn't explicitly ask for it. It's the LCD, so the lowest common denominator. Basically, that if it was to ask you for it, it's just what I got on the denominator before I simplified. I think that's today. It might be later on. So no more questions? Okay, so we're going to take a few minutes to work on the